I think the best way to define what's taking place with this rule change, this executive order, is tantamount to governmental malpractice. If you went to a doctor and he knew you could cure something that was ailing your back, and he said, you got to come back every 2 weeks, I'm not going to provide a cure. This is a classic case of doing harm. In the medical profession, it's not do harm, do no harm. This is another example of an executive having too much time on his hands and has to take up some hobbies, I think, to quell the approach he's taking towards our business sector in New York State. I think the fact that the Labor Department is not here to defend this rule change is extremely telling, because I'm not sure they can defend it. In our state, we have a great slogan. It's called Excelsior, and it stands for ever upward or still higher. I don't think when that slogan was developed, it meant still higher taxes or still higher mandates or still higher regulations or pounding on businesses, taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. But that seems to be the existence now that we face in this particular state. The testimony was compelling, and the jury is not out after this testimony. I think the jury is in, and their verdict is guilty of government malpractice. This governor, the second floor, the Labor Department, if they go forth with this so-called executive order, they are guilty of government malpractice. We're going to lose businesses. We're going to lose jobs. We're going to only expand the reputation we have for not being a good place to do business or attempt to do business. So what I'm hoping is that, and as I said earlier when I first made my first statement, I can understand why the Labor Department did not show up today, and I think that tells us something about their ability to defend what the governor has put forth. And I'm hoping, although they weren't here, they were listening. And I hope if they were listening, they understand the negative ramifications that are going to take place if they go forward with this executive order as it relates to scheduling. And once again, I thank you, and I'm very hopeful they will repeal this and not go forward. Thank you so much.